All right, welcome to Augusta. No, I'm not in Augusta. I'm in South Columbia, South Carolina. We're doing some test items. This is the expansion of 3 items that started in Augusta, Georgia. These 3 items are the fresh raspberry martini. This particular martini, the ingredients in it are Rika vodka, which is a small batch vodka, new to us. It is a lava rock filtered vodka, small batch, really good price that we're getting it in, and should be good. A lot of raspberries, so each drink has, including in the garnish, 8 raspberries, so it should be 6 inside the drink, and then 2 skewered on the top. We'll go over that in a second. We're bringing in pasteurized egg whites for this. This is a 1/4 ounce in every drink that we make. This is a natural thickener for the drink. It provides a really juicy mouthfeel for our fresh cocktail. Also, we're going to be using 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice in the drink. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a pint glass, put in 6 raspberries and 1 ounce of our pure cane simple syrup. We're going to muddle that, add in a full glass of ice on top of that, and then we're going to combine all the ingredients. Again, it's 1.5 ounces of the Rika vodka, it's a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and it's the 1/4 ounce of egg whites. Real quick, we're going to treat the egg whites in the container. We're going to leave them in there. 7-day shelf life after it's been opened. Once it's actually coming in, it's about a 2-month shelf life, but after we open it, it's 7-day shelf life. And then from there, we're going to treat it like pineapple juice. We're going to pour it out of the original container. It's about a 1/4 ounce pour. You maybe jigger a few times so you get used to it. After that, we're going to again just do the 1/4 ounce pour straight from the container. 7-day shelf life. This is the drink. It's been sitting here for a couple minutes, so forgive me, but the bottom line is it has this thick frothiness. Not too different, obviously, than our drinks, but enough of a departure that it kind of really does create a fresher mouth feel to it. Has a really pretty red color, and then 2 raspberries that go on the side. I think the drink's going to be successful. Augusta's been selling a ton of them and been really successful with it so far. So that's a red raspberry martini, the fresh raspberry martini. The next thing we're going to do is talk about the Happier Hours fried blue cheese olives that we're doing. Really quickly, a couple key points for that is they're obviously using our regular olives. To remove the pimentos out of our olives, about a jar, it takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Once you do that, it's about a 30-day shelf life. Same thing as we have at the bar once they're open. So once on a Sunday, you can remove all your pimentos. You're good to go. From there, we're going to make a blue cheese filling. We could do that on Sunday too because it has a long shelf life, a 7-day shelf life. This is 6 ounces of blue cheese to 1 pound of cream cheese softened. You can use the hand whisk or easier still, the mixer. Put it in a chub bag and then just cut the tip off of it. 7-day shelf life, and when you're ready to use this or stuff your olives, you just want to put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds just to warm it quickly. From that standpoint, filling the blue cheese olives, once you've filled the blue cheese olives, and I've got a couple right here, you put them on a lined sheet pan, and these have a 5-day shelf life. So once you stuff your olives, you have a 5-day shelf life. From this standpoint, once they're on a lined sheet tray, at least leave them in the walk-in for an hour. From that standpoint, we're going to go ahead and then do our flour, egg wash. And egg washes are easy eggs and water, not just straight egg wash. Make sure you're following the recipe card. And then panko. You can do about 4 or 5 at a time, right in the flour, and then you do your egg wash, and then you do your panko. From there, you have a breaded olive that's filled with the cream cheese and blue cheese stuffing. These have a 3-day shelf life. These are fried in oil for a minute. And then they are plated on, 10 of these are plated on our new cast iron square skillet that we have. These are going to also go with 4 bamboo picks per order. And then also finished with a sprig of thyme over the top, a small sprig that just sits right over the top. So it's on an actual salad plate. 10 blue cheese olives, at least 4 bamboo skewers. If there's more than 4 people, you can, obviously we're going to treat it like mussels and forks. We're going to add a number for each guest. and then a sprig of thyme over the top. It's our happier hours test as well, changing up some of the happier hours items. And then lastly, we have our quinoa. So this is the quinoa side that we're doing in Augusta, and been really successful with this as well. This is red quinoa. 2 cups of edamame, 2 cups of in a 1/4 inch dice, cucumber, red pepper, and aroma tomatoes. There's a 1/2 cup of parsley, 1/2 cup of cilantro, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of our omelet mix, which is a 2-to-1 salt to pepper ratio. This is all mixed up with a 2-day shelf life, obviously the acidity to it. This is going to be plated in this fusion bowl that everyone has now. We're going to actually make the quinoa, and it's 3 cups of quinoa to 6 cups of water. Once you finish your quinoa, it's about a 15 to 20 minute process. You get a bunch, obviously, left over. You need 3.5 cups to the ingredients I just said. So this is a 5-day shelf life. This is what's left over after you make a one-time batch. So it's great shelf life. Once we make our quinoa, the quinoa in itself, once we add all the ingredients to the salad, we have a 2-day shelf life. This is going to be portioned 4 ounces into a vegetable bag. So we're just going to take our veggie bag and portion those out 4 ounces into each veggie bag. From there, we just need the servers to make sure they're explaining that this is a chilled deluxe side for us. It's extra $1. But the important part is being that it's chilled. Understand that quinoa is a grain, kind of rice meets a seed. From there, that's the update as we expand into test 1. Thank you.